saves wretched men, takes away the guilt of sin, creates a brand new man within. And how he sees the old identity as dying with the Son of Man, and in Christ raised in his righteousness, and it's by the cross he can. And by his grace I am what I am. I am crucified with Christ, nevertheless I live, yet not I, but Christ liveth in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by the faith of the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. Though the outward man is perishing, each day the inward man's renewed. I start by putting off the old and putting on the new. The old man is still sinful, yet God sees a perfect man. I reckon the old man crucified, and it's by the cross I can. And by his grace I am what I am. I am crucified with Christ, nevertheless I live, yet not I, but Christ liveth in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by the faith of the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. The riches of his grace sometimes I find hard to conceive, but no more will I frustrate his grace. His truth I must believe. I am crucified with Christ, nevertheless I live, yet not I, but Christ liveth in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by the faith of the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me.